First things first, I am applying some moisturizer. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vallari. This video will be in English for my non-Marathi viewers. Do let me know which language would you like to see in my next videos in. Next, I am applying some primer. I am concentrating on my T-zone. I am using Inside Cosmetics primer. All the products are listed in the description box below. Next, I am using peach color corrector under my eyes and around my mouth. Wherever I feel that I need correction, I'll be using this peach corrector. Color correcting is very important as you don't want your makeup to turn grey afterwards. Start using it in a less quantity. You can always build gradually. For my color corrector to set, I am using some loose powder. This way it won't mix with my foundation. Next, with the help of a beauty blender, I am applying foundation. I am going to drag the remaining foundation on my neck. Next, I am using a concealer to highlight my face. The trick here is to wait for 2 minutes after applying the concealer to blend, so that you can have a good coverage. I'm applying the concealer on my eyelids too, so that I can have a base for my eyeshadow. Next, I am setting the concealer with loose powder. You don't have to apply much, otherwise your makeup will turn cakey. Next, I am using Swiss Beauty contour palette to contour my face. I am applying it on my cheekbones. If you have a big forehead like me, you will have to contour your forehead like this. No matter how chiseled your jawline is, you will have to contour it like this. Reason being, in the light it might look flat. To contour my nose, I am using a small brush. Next, I am applying some blush. I am using a powder blush today. If you are a beginner in makeup, you should use powder blush as it is easier to blend. Next, I am applying some highlighter with the help of a fan brush. For my eyebrows, I am going to brush them downwards with a spoolie. I am using an ash grey colored pencil to fill them in. Never use black pencil to fill in your eyebrows. Next, I have brushed them upwards and filling in the sparse areas. Next, I am using eyeshadow primer. I am spreading it with the help of my fingers. Eyeshadow primers are important when you want your eye makeup to last long. I am using this dark blue color on the outer corner of my eyes. With the help of a flat brush, I am going to create this shape, keeping my eyes open. Then spreading it gradually inwards. Next, I am going to be using this shade as a transition shade, as well as I am going to blend this shade with the previous shade I used. I am using circular motions to blend this shade. Next, with a small brush, I am using this black color on the outer corner of my eye. I am concentrating this shade only on the outer view of my eye. With the help of a small blending brush, I am blending this all together. Once I am happy with the blending, I am taking this shade. With the help of a flat brush, I am applying it on the lid. I am blending the previous blue shade with this new shade. Next, with an angular brush, I am using a black eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I am going to take this color only till the middle of my lower lash line. This trick makes your eyes look bigger. Next, I am applying liquid eyeliner. When applying an eyeliner, always start from the middle of your eye. As you have more product when you start applying your eyeliner, you don't want to ruin the shape of your eyeliner by applying it directly from the inner corner. For lipstick, I am using Inside Cosmetics lip liner. I am going to fill in my lips with the liner first. I have combined 2 shades of liquid lipsticks here. So this is the final look. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do let me know if you like the videos in English or Marathi in the comments below. Thank you for watching.